Bondor, let's eat that. Welcome to another video.
Get down.
Not so far, so good. So good so far. Really good, really good, really good, really good, really good. Really, 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 really good. Uh-oh.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the Salt Lake City Police Department.
You hear that? I live in Salt Lake City.
That certain candy brands in people's Easter baskets have been contaminated with an unknown virus. These candy brands include Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Snickers, Kit Kat, Peeps, Starburst, Skittles, and M&M's.
Well, I'm done.
Symptoms from eating these candies are initial nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control, paranoia, and unconsciousness. Police have also reported that some of the infected patients have acted out in an extremely violent behavior. All residents of Salt Lake City are advised to remain indoors at this time. If you have eaten the listed candies above or you are experienced one or more of these symptoms, call 911 and take yourself to the hospital for further treatment. If you have eaten the candies listed above, you will be infected within as little as 15 minutes after consumption. Residents are also advised to do the following instructions. Do not eat any candy that is contaminated. Put the candies into a cardboard box and the National Guard will take it to an undisclosed location. You can eat candy brands that are infected with the virus. Candy stores,
Not infected.
supermarkets, and vending machines have all been closed until the situation is over. Do not throw the candy in the garbage, as they need to be disposed into a manner. The origin of this event has not been confirmed at this time. Stay tuned to this station for further information on this dangerous situation.
Going off here. Bye.